All right, guys, welcome. We're giving this question from JAMB 1984, where we're asked to factorize 6x squared minus 14x minus 12. So quickly, we dive into this question by writing a solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression 6x squared minus 14x minus 12. First thing we do out is to factor out 2, since it is a common term. Hence, our expression becomes 2 bracket open 3s squared minus 7s minus 6 bracket close. Next, we take note of the fact that our value for a is expression is equal to plus 3, and value for b is equal to minus 7, while our value for c is equal to minus 6. And since a is not equal to 1, we find the value of AC equal to 3 times bracket open minus 6 bracket close. In this way, give us minus 18 as our value for AC. Then we find the factors of minus 18 that when added gives us our value for B, which is a minus 7. And the values of the factors of minus 18 gives us a value for B are minus 9 and plus 2. Now, having these at the back of our mind, we copy out our expression again. Copy out, so we have 2 bracket open 3x squared minus 7x minus 6 bracket close is equal to 2 bracket open 3x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 6 bracket close. Solving further, we have this to be equal to 2 bracket open 3x bracket close. We factor out 3x from 3x squared minus 9x, so we have 3x here outside, and within our bracket we're going to be left with x minus 3. That's having factor out 3x, we're left with x minus 3 within our bracket. Now from plus 2x minus 6, we'll factor out plus 2, and we're left with x minus 3 bracket close. Left with this, we have equal to 2 bracket open x minus 3 bracket close bracket open 3x plus 2 bracket close. That's our final answer. Thank you.